Good morning, my dear children. Open your notes. And in previous class, we are doing problems on algebra about identities. There are more than 12 formulae. A plus b whole square, a plus b plus c whole square, a plus b whole cube, and all formulae. Totally there are 15 problems. I have listed all these formulae. Every day you practice all formulae. If you are thorough with this formulae, you can do easily by applying the problems. By applying formula, and you can easily solve the problem. Without knowing formula, it is waste. So you please practice. Then only math is easy. If you learn all these formulae, everything there is formulas, and you have to know all these. Every day you practice. Without practice, you cannot be perfect. Now, next problem, we are doing fifth problem on a squared minus a plus b into a minus b. Application of this formula. Actually, when we multiply, we get four terms: a into a squared, a into b, ab, minus a. Next b into a, ba or ab both are same, and b into b square, minus b square, plus into minus. Then you see, here two terms are same with different sign, cancel. So what is left here? A square minus b square. We say this one is a formula. By applying this formula, we can solve these two problems. First one, 102 into 98 given. We can write this as, we can convert this as 102, 100 plus 2. 100 plus 2 into 98 can be written as 100 minus 2. So it is brought into the form. Here in place of a, here is 100, in place of b 2. Same terms, same numbers with different sign, plus minus. And product of these two is a squared minus b squared. In place of a, there is 100, in place of b 2. Now, this is 10,000 minus 4. This is 9,996. Or within seconds we can do by applying the formula. And the second question, 105 into extra. 105 into 95 and 204 into 204, that is different. Okay. See, this can be written as 100 plus 5 and this is 100 minus 5. So answer is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, that is 100 square minus 5 square, b square. So this is 10,000, for 2 zeros we have to write 4 zeros, minus 25. So this is 9,975. Like this we can do. In fractions also we can do. 50 and a half into 49 and a half. This is also in the form of a plus b into a minus b. This can be written as 50 plus half into 50 minus half. is more than half is more than 50, it is half is less than 50. Now according to formula a squared, 50 squared minus half squared. 50 squared is 2500 minus 1 by 2 squared 1 by 4. From 2500 we have to subtract 1 by 4. By our orally we can write 2499 and 1/4 removed from 342. Orally we can write 2499 and 1/4 removed from 1/4 removed and remaining is 3. Like that we have to do. And another problem given in the exercise, formula change. Here reverse given. Reverse RHS is given. A square minus B square is equal to formula A plus B into A minus B. In previous this formula reversed. Now what is given here? 1003 squared minus 997 squared. It is in the form of a square minus b squared. Once add 1000 plus 3 into 1000 minus 3. Evaluate 1000 b is a plus b, b is here 997 into 1000 minus 997. Once plus a plus b, in place of a 1003 is there, in place of b 997. Sum of these two is 2000 and the difference of these two is 3. So orally we can say a product 6000. 1003 and 997. 2000. So difference of 1000 and 997 is 3. So product is 6000. So like this problems are given. Like that we have to simply apply the relevant formula. What formula is relevant here? Now next question. And another third question. This is the fifth. 10 cube minus 5 cube and minus 5 cube. See, without actual multiplication, by applying formula, we have to solve the problem. By doing applying formula, so easy solution. It is the formula. If a plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. There is a formula. Here we know a sum of these three terms, 10 minus 5 minus 5. 10 minus 10 is 0. Then a cube, in place of a there is 10, in place of b there is minus 5, in place of c minus 5. So it is in the form only. The product is 3abc. In place of write a, you write 10. In place of b minus 5. In place of c minus 5. So product is minus into minus, first becomes plus. 5 into 5, 25, 25 into 3, 75, into 10, 0. See, it is much easy. Without actual calculations, multiplications, we can do easily within seconds by applying the formula. So you please practice the formula. And one more extra example given. 55 cube minus 25 cube minus 30 cube. Now we can write easily its product. A cube, a plus b plus c is 0 here. Apply formula. Then only a plus b plus c is 0. Now 55 minus 25 minus 30. In place of a, 55 minus 25 minus 30, it becomes 0. 50a, 55, b minus 25, c minus 30. So sum of this is 0. Then 55 cube minus 25 cube minus 30 cube is equal to answer 3abc. 3abc. 3abc formula. 3 into a, 55, b minus 25, and c minus 30. Now multiply. Multiply all the terms. Easy. See, minus into minus plus first. 25 3s are 25 into 3, 75. 75 into 3. 3 5s are 15. 21, 22, 0. 2250. 2250 is multiplied by 55. 5, 7, 3, 2, 1. Multiply. And this is the product. We can easily solve the problem without actual multiplication. 1, 2, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 7, 50. Like this. This is the product. No. And see, you practice all chapter tests. You can do easily. Please practice. If you have doubts, you can contact. I will do. Otherwise, let us just tomorrow chapter test. Try to practice first formula and try to practice textbook chapter test problems, and we can do tomorrow. Thank you.